Information and Communication Technology, Unit 18, Physics, Class 10th. Question 1. What is the definition of Information and Communication Technology, ICT? Answer: the use of digital technology to manage and process information. Question 2. What is the term for the global network of interconnection computer? Answer: Internet. Question 3. Which of the following is a type of computer software? Answer: operating system, application software, utility store. Question 4. What is the term for the process of transferring data from one computer to another? Answer: data transmission. Question 5. What is the term for a computer network that spans small graphical area? Answer: LAN. Question 6. What is an operating system? Answer: a type of computer software. Question 7. Which of the following leads to protect data from unauthorized access? Answer: data security. Question 8. What is a word processor used for? Answer: creating and editing text documents. Question 9. What display the output of a computer? Answer: monitor. Question 10. What is the term for moving data from one location to another? Answer: data transfer. Question 11. What is the central processing unit, CPU, known as? Answer: the brain of the computer. Question 12. Which device stores data permanently? Answer: hard disk. Question 13. What is the primary function of ICT in education? Answer: improving teaching and learning. Question 14. Which device is used to convert physical document into digital form? Answer: scanner. Question 15. Which of the following is not a communication technology? Answer: typewriter. Question 16. What is the function of a medium in ICT? Answer: convert digital signal to analog signals. Question 17. Which of the following is an input device? Answer: keyboard. Question 18. What does LAN stands for? Answer: local area network. Question 19. Which software is used for word processing? Answer: Microsoft Word. Question 20. Which type of memory is used for temporary storage in computer? Answer: RAM. Question 21. What is an operating system? Answer: software that manages computer hardware and software. Question 22. What is the purpose of antivirus software? Answer: to protect computer from malware. Question 23. What is the basic unit of information in ICT? Answer: bit. Question 24. Which key communication is used to copy text? Answer: Ctrl+C. Question 25. What is the purpose of a router? Answer: connecting network. Question 26. Which device is used to display output? Answer: monitor. Question 27. Which of the following is an example of an output device? Answer: monitor. Question 28. Which ICT tool is used for video conferencing? Answer: Skype. Question 29. Which software is used to create presentation? Answer: Microsoft PowerPoint. Question 30. Which of these is not an application of ICT? Answer: manual record keeping.